Hi everyone and welcome back to Lifern. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make dolma. And there is a link down below to the book from Baseema if you'd like to use that recipe. I basically did a twist on it. For the stuffing and rice mixture, you're going to need these ingredients right here. Go ahead and press pause, take a screenshot, and go to your local Middle Eastern store to grab these ingredients. It's much easier to find everything there. You also need some long grain basmati rice. Go ahead and soak that for 30 minutes. For the dolma broth later, and to put your mixture into, this is your dolma quote-unquote wrap. So go ahead and take a screenshot of this as well. As you see here, I went ahead and cut and cored all of the vegetables that you're going to be stuffing the rice mixture into. You want to go ahead and scoop it out, dice them as such. The meat you can keep whole for the bottom of the pan, and then these are your grape leaves. Pour boiling water over your dolma leaves, leave for 5 minutes, do this twice, and then drain. Now grab the rice that's been soaking for 30 minutes, wash the rice until the water runs clear, and then drain the water. Now after you're done draining the water, go ahead and take the rice and add it to the bowl of diced veggies. Alright, halfway there guys. Now you're going to go ahead and grab the olive oil and the garlic mixture, separate the two so you don't burn the garlic while you're cooking the olive oil. You're basically going to let this heat up to a sizzle. This is going to be poured over your rice. But in the meantime, go ahead and grab your rice mixture and mix all of those ingredients together in one big bowl. This also has your rice in it, as you see at the bottom. Now you're going to go ahead and take your olive oil that you just cooked up or heated up and pour that over your rice mixture. Don't forget that garlic also. And now this rice mixture is complete. This is your stuffing. Right, in that same pan, you're going to go ahead and reheat some olive oil, about a couple tablespoons, and cook your bottom of the pot meat until it browns on both sides, and place it in an unheated pot. This is your dolma pot. Make sure to use a large enough pot if you can. Right, so drain and cut the stems from your dolma leaves. Now find a comfy workspace. Here you have your vegetables that you're going to stuff, your rice mixture, you have your dolma leaves, and then you have your pot which you're going to place the dolmas into. Now let's do the dolma roll. We're going to go ahead and place the shiny side down. I've already cut off the stem so it doesn't give you that weird texture when you're chewing down on it. It's also easier to roll it up. Straighten the leaf out. Don't be lazy. And now grab your rice mixture. 1 to 2 teaspoons of it, depending on the size of your dolma leaf, and place it in the center like this. Now it's going to take a little bit of practice to perfect a dolma roll, but you'll get the hang of it. Grab your leaf from the bottom and then fold it over like this. And neatly roll using your thumb and the rest of your fingers like this. Just gently roll it. It's like a good continuous pressure, but not too much because you want to allow the rice to expand once it cooks. Repeat and then place them tightly alongside each other. Stuff your veggies and then place them in the pot as well, and then repeat until you're done. In a separate pot, grab some boiling water, citric acid, tomato paste, and some salt, and mix it until you create the broth. Now grab that broth, pour it into your pot that you rolled your dolmas in. Grab yourself a heavy plate that would fit inside the pot to place a little bit of pressure as you cook it. I didn't have one, so the bowl will do. I just grabbed a cast iron skillet to place a little pressure on top. Simmer on low heat for an hour and a half or until the broth is dissipated and it's done. Now do the dolma flip. Grab yourself a larger plate to place on top of the uncovered pot. Hold both tightly and flip it over. Shimmy it off and show off your masterpiece. This goes really well with some yogurt, mint, and lime dip, but any type of dip will do. You can also place a little bit of olive oil so it doesn't dry out. Make sure to enjoy. God bless, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. My Instagram channel is right here, Hungry Nurse Travels. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.